The ship was a surprise. It was smaller than I imagined, incredibly comfortable, truly a home away from home. It met and exceeded every expectation I would have had in immeasurable ways.
Right from the moment we got on the ship, everyone was making us feel very welcome. I immediately felt like you knew them, and they were just always trying their best to make everything work smoothly and keep you safe and comfortable.
The accommodations for me were outstanding. They were super comfortable. I think I slept better than I've slept in years.
The beds were incredibly comfortable, and I hardly heard the engine or the boat move at all. It's really important that I can come back and have a nice hot shower. All the things that you would imagine that being on a ship might be limited in were there. What amazes me is that we still have fresh fruit, we have cheeses, we have every cuisine.
My only complaint about the food is that it's too good. It's maybe the very essence of comfort food, at least it was for me, and that made it very hard to resist on most days.
The on-board activities have been pretty well scheduled. I mean, either there are lectures at times to illustrate what it is you might be seeing, or there is afterwards debriefings, explanations of what you have seen. There are various games in the bar, there's, a nightly darts competition. I think what I like the most about this type of travel is that you can relax knowing that you're in the hands of experts, people that have not just got experience and ability, but an enthusiasm. So you can embrace the experience knowing that everything else is well taken care of.